We have come out to the Bauer Unit, which is the backcountry part of this park. And as you can see, there is a gate that we're gonna have to enter. So we checked in at the headquarters for the park. We got our pass, and we're gonna go ahead and put the code into the gate and see if it'll open and hopefully let us in. It worked.
The Bauer Unit of Guadalupe River State Park is 670 acres of primitive Texas hill country featuring 8 miles of moderate to challenging remote hiking trails through oak-juniper woods, old pastures, restoration areas, and rough dirt and limestone trails.
It is off the beaten track, but again, your GPS can help you find the entrance. It really wasn't a problem at all, and we're excited to do some backcountry hiking here today. We're on the Bamberger Trail. It's a hike and bike trail, and so we're going to continue on. This is primarily like typical hill country forest.
Scat.
We came out of the forest and it's opened up to this beautiful savanna on the Bamberger Trail.
We're hiking through a scene from the movie 28 years later. Don't you think?
Yes, it does kind of feel like a bit of a zombie apocalypse out here.
Like a stack of skulls that were knocked to the ground.
This is a very rocky trail, and it is very interesting. We're kind of navigating this karst, rocky environment, and it looks like we're at a high elevation, so come with us, let's see what we find. Going off trail a little bit, but that looks like there's this awesome tree that's covered with Spanish moss and the sun is filtering through, so we're gonna just see if we can make our way down there.
While Erica heads down to check out the Spanish moss, I will stay here in the safety of the trail.
But we wanted to capture the sun right before it goes behind the ridge and this amazing cinematic tree. It's like, yes, I know it's not Yosemite, but it's surprising nonetheless, and
it's in Texas.
It's in Texas.
And when it's in Texas, that makes all the difference.
Yes, because we're in the best place.
At the best time.
At the best time.
With the best company.
With the best company, always. Just a little PSA, always choose your hiking partner wisely.
This being the hiking partner.
And a little baby Spanish moss.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Very ethereal.
It's like we're in Middle Earth.
Yes.
All right, Bilbo, let's get going. So that is the Curry Creek?
Yes, the creek. My All Trails app, so awesome because I can just match that up with the paper map, and we're about a third of the way through this Curry Creek Trail loop.
Technology. So we just stopped to appreciate the view of the overlook here at the Curry Creek Overlook at Guadalupe River State Park. It is surprisingly beautiful, and I don't know, we're starting to lose the light of the day, so I don't know how much you can appreciate the view that we've had up here, but it is quite spectacular. With a lot of these limestone formations, and cedars aren't that pretty, but the whole topography up here is pretty stunning and very unexpected.
Wow, just look, walking through these huge boulders.
Thank you very much.
We're in the Bauer Unit. We're on the Curry Creek Trail. This is a totally new trail for us, and as you can see, we got out here a little bit later, so the sun is starting to set, and we kind of found ourselves in a conundrum because the trail is really, there are down tree branches and the trail's kind of covered up. So let's see if we can figure out how to get out of here.
The sun, I think, is set. It's starting to get a little cooler. We found our way back on the trail after a little diversion.
It is tricky because there are lots of leaves
and fallen trees
and fallen branches.
And it's an extremely rocky trail.
Yeah.
But it was just a short diversion, found our way back on the main trail. And what is it, about 1.5 miles or so back to the parking lot. If we don't have another misstep. It does kind of look like the mystical forest.
This is one rocky trail, especially in the gloaming.
You feel how much the temperature has dropped though?
I know. I'm glad I have this pullover on.
Well, it's January, mid-January.
But
it has been relatively mild, although we have had a cold front that's come through the hill country. But now that the sun has gone down, you feel pretty much immediately a 5 to 10 degree drop in temperature. It gets pretty chilly. I'm sorry, what were you saying?
well, I was gonna say that it's the perfect temperature for hiking.
Well, it is, but I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's weird, isn't it, coming out of the woodlands
Oh, I love it.
into the light?
You know what I love about this place is it feels totally remote. It's so quiet and it's very calm today, no wind, so it's so peaceful. It's a great way to start the work week.
You doing okay back there?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I love it. I love this time of night. Maybe we'll see some more wildlife.
Yeah, like a snake,
Like a chupacabra.
chupacabra, coyote. Well, what kind of coyote? These days you have to worry. I don't know which one is better. Just using a little LED light panel just to light the way a little bit, because we are pretty much hiking in darkness, almost near darkness, so we want to test to see how the light works. See if it picks up Erica in the back at all. You can hear her.
We're gonna continue on this loop and pick up the Bamberger Trail and head back to the parking lot. But we are definitely coming back to this park earlier in the day, and we want to explore more of these trails. It is a fascinating place and has really been a wonderful experience.
And we've come to the conclusion that we might see a little bit more if there were a little more light.
We're hiking through darkness and noticed what looked to be a very bright star in the evening sky. And so Mark pulled up his astronomy app, and it's actually a planet. It's Jupiter, and it is very visible in South Texas this January and is extremely bright and beautiful.
My God, it's full of stars. We arrived around 4:15 p.m., less than 2 hours before sunset. Not nearly enough time to enjoy all that this area has to offer. We shall return.